Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another awesome episode on the channel. Today we have a quick review of the Keychron K4 Bluetooth mechanical keyboard, as you can see on screen. Now, you know what I hate most is long reviews, so that's why on this channel I'm kind of switching over to more brief reviews because I don't want you guys to sit here and just have to scroll and wait for me to get to the point and actually talk about the keyboard. I'm just not going to waste your time. I'm going to hop right into it, and so yeah. Let's go and discuss the Keychron K4 Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Also, you'll probably notice in this video, there is no A-roll. You're not going to see my face. I got inspiration from another tech reviewer, only showed B-roll, and I was like, yeah, that seems pretty cool. So I'm going to give it a shot in this video. So yeah, on screen here, lighting effects. You guys want to see this sort of stuff. Obviously, I can't even begin to describe what all these lighting effects are. I'm just going to let you know there's a lot of them, and you can switch through them just by clicking the top right-hand key on the keyboard. It has a little light bulb on it. You can just flicker through all of them, and you can also adjust the brightness using the function buttons on the top left of the keyboard. That one, honestly, is my favorite right there on screen, but for the most part, I mainly just use it on the plain white backlight. Mine is not the RGB version. I honestly don't really care though. I'm fine with it. And on screen here, you can just see some more lighting effects. As I said before, this has a million lighting effects on it. And you can also increase and decrease the volume like I just mentioned. But lighting's great, easily visible at night, and no real issues there. And here, like, ladies and gentlemen, you can see me zooming into this escape key on the top left of the keyboard. You probably wonder, why am I zooming in on this escape key? It's because it's orange, and it's awesome. And I respect that they made the whole keyboard gray, and they made this one key orange. But you can swap it out if you don't like bright orange, but I like the contrast. And as you can see here, I'm just showing you all the function keys. I don't normally use function keys on a keyboard, but for this one, I was like, yeah, these are actually useful, and they're easy to find and distinguish, and they all make sense, and they're intuitive. And I've actually used a lot of them so far. Volume up, down, play, pause, yada, yada, yada. They all get the job done. But yeah, this keyboard, for the most part, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see from this B-roll here, it's a super, super clean looking keyboard. I went with the numpad edition. I think this is 96 keys total. It's compact. There's no real major gaps between the keys, but still I can distinguish all the keys. I don't really have many accidental clicks when I'm clicking a key. I know that's the key I'm clicking, and each key itself is kind of rounded to fit the curvature of your finger, sort of like the MX Keys keyboard by Logitech. But the main reason I went with a mechanical one is because I just really like that click. This is the brown switches on this keyboard. I don't actually show the individual switches, but they are the brown ones, so they do have a little clack, but they're not even close to as loud as the blue switches. As you can see right here, you can just see like the underlighting of the keyboard. It gets plenty bright in dark scenarios, but honestly, I don't think that's going to be a major issue for any of you. And I don't really care about RGBs too much on a keyboard. It's a little too flashy for me. I'm perfectly fine with the white backlit keyboard. And one really underrated thing I like about this keyboard is when you know the numpad is on. That is a huge pain on other keyboards I've used. I never know if the numpad is on. There's a num button on this, and it lights up red when it's on. I know it's on. Same with the caps lock. It's simple, it's intuitive, and that's the main gist of this keyboard. Everything is super basic and super easy to use. Nothing is complicated with this keyboard, and it just gets the job done overall. It's also compact, even with the numpad, which I like, so you could technically take this on the go. And one of the great things with this one is it's Bluetooth. You can use it with the USB-C cable included, and you can pair it up with 3 devices, and overall the Bluetooth connection has been solid for me. It takes like 1.5 seconds to connect every time you turn on the keyboard or turn on your computer, so there is a bit of a delay, but it's honestly not bad at all. Like, it's perfectly manageable. And on screen here, let's have a listen. So you just heard the clacks of the brown switches. I love them. They're fantastic. And ladies and gentlemen, that's been this review. It's been short. It's been awesome. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Scott Tyler. Share this video if you liked it, if you like this format. let me know in the comment section down below, and I will post more B-roll only videos with voiceover narration. Bye bye everyone.